GMKtec K6 Mini PC, high-performance mini desktop for work and play. The GMKtec K6 Mini PC packs impressive performance in a compact form, ideal for professionals and gamers seeking desktop power in a mini design. Featuring the powerful AMD Ryzen R7-7840HS, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU with speeds up to 5.1 GHz, this mini PC is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Key features: enhanced CPU and GPU performance, with the AMD Ryzen R7-7840HS processor and AMD Radeon 780M graphics, which boasts a 12-core 2700 MHz GPU. The K6 provides a significant upgrade from previous iGPUs, perfect for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. High-speed memory and storage, equipped with 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, the K6 delivers fast, responsive performance across applications. The 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD offers speedy data access and can handle your files and media with ease, with expansion options to increase storage as needed. Seamless connectivity to experience fast and reliable internet and data transfer with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. The USB 4.0 port provides blazing data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, complemented by USB 3.2 Gen 2 for enhanced connectivity with your devices. Triple monitor support. The K6 Mini PC supports a triple screen setup with HDMI 2.0, DP 1.4, and USB-C, USB 4.0. offering up to 4K at 60Hz output, with DP supporting up to 144 Hz at 4K. This setup is perfect for gaming, video editing, or multitasking across multiple screens. Abundant port options, with dual gigabit Ethernet LAN, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 3.2, USB 2.0, HDMI, and an audio jack. The K6 provides all the interfaces you need to connect your peripherals and maximize productivity. Efficient cooling system, equipped with a powerful fan, heat pipe, and upgraded aluminum plate, the K6 maintains optimal temperature even during intensive tasks, ensuring smooth, cool operation. Space-saving VESA mount. The included VESA mount allows you to attach the mini PC to the back of your monitor or a wall, keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Product dimensions and weight. Size: 128.8 by 127 by 47.8 mm. Weight: 520 gram. Included in the box: 1 GMKtec K6 Mini PC, 1 EU standard charger, 1 back bracket, 1 HDMI cable, 1 manual. The GMKtec K6 Mini PC offers top-tier performance in a small footprint, making it an excellent choice for users needing a powerful, versatile, and space-saving computing solution.